Good afternoon. We have the pleasure of hosting ex-RBI Governor, Dr. D Subbarao, today for an ET Markets Masterclass. Dr. Subbarao was at the helm of the central bank when the world was reeling under the effects of the global financial crisis. When it comes to handling crisis in recent times, perhaps his experience is unparalleled. The COVID pandemic has presented tremendous challenges for policymakers across the world. Dr. Subbarao shares his views on inflation, fiscal policy, and central bank responses. Thank you very much for your time, Dr. Subbarao.
Thank you.
So, in terms of the Fed taper, it will definitely happen. And at this point of time, we have much more reserves than we had back in 2013. I think if we add the forwards book, we would be at $650 billion, something of that sort. But we have a problem in terms of real interest rates. So, what would you say in terms of central bank management of when the Fed does the taper?
Yeah, you're right, Bhaskar, that there's most certainly will be taper, and there most possibly will not be a tantrum because both sides have learned, are chastened. From the US side, Chairman Powell and other governors of the Fed have repeatedly emphasized that the Fed is going to be patient and they're going to telegraph their intentions well in advance. So it's very unlikely that we will be caught unawares. From emerging market side, particularly India side, like you said, we have $650 billion reserves, which itself is a formidable war chest. Our current account deficit is quite low. Our fiscal deficit is not low, but not so large as to cause any concerns from the exchange rate dimension. And most importantly, I think there's not much pressure built up in the exchange rate value. So there may not be a tantrum. But having said that, I must say that even though this is just one crisis, RBI and other emerging economy central banks are going to confront this challenge of managing their exchange rates in financially integrating global economy. So it's going to be a constant and continuing challenge.
On behalf of the ET Markets team, we thank you immensely for your time and your views. Thank you very much, Dr. Subbarao.
Thank you.